Welcome to another fancy online IGCSE lesson. This lesson is on solving linear equations under the module of algebra. Linear equations are the basic equations that you are required to know under this particular course. When they are linear, usually the unknown, which we like calling x, has no power on it. It's just x, and it can have a number on it. For example, when you have an equation like 3x is equals to 6, that is a linear equation. The power of x is just 1. Easy to solve. Solving means find the value of the x. In this case, we would have to get rid of the 3 by dividing with 3. But what we do to the left, we must do to the right. So this 3 cancels that 3 and removes it the way we want. We are left with x is equals to 2. Okay, that's our answer. If we had 3x minus 2 is equals to 8, then we would have to not only get rid of the 3, but we also first have to get rid of the 2. The opposite of taking away 2 is to add 2. So if we add 2 here, it will knock off that. But what we do to the left, we must do to the right. So we're going to add 2 to this side also. Now we're going to have x minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So we got 3x equals to 10. Now again we can divide with 3, both sides. 3 cancels the 3 there. X remains alone. And our answer is 10 over 3, which we can write as 3, remainder 1 over 3. Okay? If maybe it was a bit more complex, an equation like 5x plus 4 is equals to 16. Let's say 14 is a good number for us. You got to remove the 4. But what you do to the left, do to the right. Then you now have to only 5x being equal to 10. Now we can remove the 5 by dividing with 5 both sides. And we end up with the 5 cancelling that. X is alone. 10 over 5 is 2. Okay. There are times when you can have equations in brackets. So you maybe have a 3. You got your x, you got your minus 1 be equal to 6. You got to open the brackets first. And when you're opening brackets, please do not forget this number outside multiplies everything in the bracket, like that. Okay, so you end up with 3 times x minus 3 times 1, which is 3. So you open the brackets first, then you now do what you are doing. If you had minus 3, you can remove it by adding 3. What you do to the left, do to the right. Okay, now you got 3x being equals to 9. Now deal with the 3 by dividing with 3 both sides. And this 3 cancels that, and x equals to 3. Okay, so we're solving linear equations basically by always whatever to the left, also to the right, until you have removed everything and remained only with x when your brackets are involved. Sometimes you might have equations that are fraction-like. For example, x over 2 is equals to 5. When you have an equation that is fractionalized, how do you remove the 2? Since there's a division sign, the opposite of division is multiplication. Now multiply both sides with 2. What you do to the left, do to the right. When you do that, this 2 cancels the 2, x is alone. You can see x is equals to 10. Okay. If it was a bit complex, x over 2 minus 3 is equals to 7. So again, proceed like we had done before. Remove the 3 first before you handle the excess by adding 3 to both sides. And you end up with x over 2 is now alone because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So x over 2 is 10. Then proceed by multiplying by 2 both sides. This 2 cancels this one, and you can see x is 20. Okay? So when you put these fractions, sometimes you end up multiplying, and that would cancel everything off. Can you try the exercise 1 below for quick practice before we move on to the more complex one? See you next lesson. Thank you. Try and mark them.